Hey everyone, today we will be converting from standard form to slope-intercept form. Standard form is written as ax plus by equals c, and we are converting to slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. Our first problem will be 8x minus 4y equals to 40. That's written in standard form, and our aim is to convert it to slope-intercept form. I need to have my y by itself, so I need to get rid of the term that's on the same side as my y. In this case, it will be 8x. To cancel out 8x, I am using inverse operation. Currently, 8x is positive, so the inverse will be negative 8x. To keep the equation balanced, anything I do on one side, I am doing the same on the other side. So I will also minus 8x on the other side. 8x minus 8x leaves me with 0 pair, so they cancel each other out. I did not use my negative 4y, so I will bring down my negative 4y equal, I have 40 and I have negative 8x. These are unlike terms. We cannot combine unlike terms, so I will write them as is. However, remember, we are rewriting in the format y equal mx plus b, so I will write my negative 8x first, and then I will plus my b, which will be 40. Looking at this equation, I have a coefficient with my y. It can be read as negative 4 multiplied by y. So the inverse will be to divide by negative 4. So I will say negative 4y divided by negative 4. And to keep the equation balanced, I am dividing negative 4 by all my terms. So I will also divide negative 8x divided by negative 4 plus 40 over negative 4. This equation can be simplified. So I will say negative 4 divided by negative 4. That gives me a coefficient of 1 and my variable. So I don't need to write that 1. So I will have y is equal to negative 8 over negative 4 will be positive 2. I write my x to maintain my slope-intercept form. 40 divided by negative 4 would be minus 10. So my answer would be y is equal to 2x minus 10. The 2 would represent the slope of the line, and the negative 10 will represent the y-intercept. Now it's your turn to try. 2x minus 3y equal 8. It's written in standard form. I need you to convert it to slope-intercept form. Please pause the video and work it out, and then you can play the video to check your answer. Okay, welcome back. So we want to write it in the form y equal 4x plus b. First, I will get rid of the other term on the same side. 2x is being added, it's positive. So the inverse will be to minus 2x from that side. Anything I do on one side, I will do the same on the other side. So I will also minus 2x on the other side of the equation. 2x minus 2x cancel each other out. That's 0 pair. I did not use my negative 3y, so I will bring it down, which is equal to 8. Negative 2x are unlike terms, so I will write them back as is in the form y equal mx plus b. So that will be negative 2x plus 8. Looking at my equation, I have a coefficient with my y, so I need to cancel that coefficient out. It can be read as negative 3 times y, so the inverse will be to divide by negative 3. So negative 3y divided by negative 3 is equal to, and I am dividing all my terms by negative 3 to ensure that I keep my equation balanced. So that would be negative 2 over negative 3x plus 8 over negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 leaves me with 1y. We do not need to write the 1. We just write y, which is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 3. When you divide 2 negative, your answer will be positive. So this would give us 2/3 x. 8 over negative 3 cannot be simplified, so we write it back as is, which is minus 8 over 3. This means our slope will be 2/3 and our y-intercept will be negative 8 over 3. Check to see if you got it correct. If you didn't, just check to see what part you messed up so you can learn from your mistake. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye.